Hey friends, if you wish to know whether Windows 10 is still supported or not, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing, we will search for it on Bing. I think that it is supported till October. Okay, so it is supported till 14th of October 2025. Now, when I say supported, basically it means that you will be receiving free software updates from Windows and technical assistance and security fixes and all. Beyond that, you will not be receiving security fixes. And my suggestion is that if your system supports, you should upgrade to Windows 11. Just right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right pane. And if your system does not support it, I will suggest buying a new computer or upgrading it. The reason is that if you miss security updates, it can lead to cyber infringement or towards your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.